Hello, good evening. Let's go over today's targets and see if we can actually do something today. So, slogan say no. We've switched to 5 minutes here. So, closure above this area could actually mean significant move. Onto 30 pips for US 30 is not worth it. Trust me. Okay, 30 pips for US 30 is not worth it. So actually, what we're gonna do is to wait. Perhaps our point of interest is gonna change. It's gonna change. I believe. So let's hold on a little bit and see. Because I don't trust this. Perhaps I don't trust this. But let's see. Okay. So 15 minutes. If it closes above, then we can actually take advantage of price action. But we're gonna wait. When it comes to US 30, I would like everyone to hang on in there until 6:30. Yeah, this is 18:30. That is when we can make decision here. I don't want anyone to be in a hurry. You know what I mean? Just guys relax. Let's not all be in a hurry. Okay, for US 30 specifically, let's look at gold and see if we can make any sense out of gold. Okay, gold daily has flipped as expected. So we expect either for price to drive above, and the break of yesterday's high would mean that price will most likely see the high of 2 days ago, that is 2042, but we don't know what price is going to do at the moment. So it makes sense if we actually hold on again. So 4 hours, 4 hours high is already broken. But what I don't know is if price is actually gonna come down all the way to like invalidate this break, because I don't see any good reasonable week for this present 4 hours. Don't see any good week. Had it been the price wicked from here, from maybe 2034, then it would have made a lot of sense. But then, notwithstanding this kind of setup, it usually pushes. So don't neglect the days of little beginning. You may see something that is kind of trippy. So let's see. So based on my plan here, all I can say is gold is really shitty today. Gold is super shitty. And while trading gold, I always like to trade with 30 minutes. Okay, I always like to trade gold with 30 minutes. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. Yeah. So let's see if we can see anything. 30 minutes close already happened for this range here. Price has ranged and we've secured 30 minutes closure outside the range. See what I mean by outside range? Price has been ranging all the way, and then from here I started not crossing and suddenly it crossed. So I'm expecting actually like a drive at least up to this psychological level, or to this resistance here, to this high. Okay, that's actually what I'm expecting. But then let's see how this works out. So maybe you can get this in. Let's see how this works out. You may be able to get this in 5 minutes since we secured the close already. Maybe let's see. 30 minutes. Nothing, just everyone you have to hang on. I don't see any reasonable thing happening now. So the next time volume is going to come into the market is from 6:30 to buy time. So that is the time we're actually going to like have a holistic look at these guys. Right now, they're just messing around. And for Euro JPY, let's have a look at the daily time frame. It actually has not crossed above yesterday's high. So this pair has the tendency to just turn around and keep moving. and then 4 hours. 4 hours has satisfied all the requirements, an uptrend, but then it got stuck around this level because of these the resistance, the wicks around there. So price is rejecting this area because it has previously been rejected as well. So this area is a problematic area. But what is going to be the outcome of this is something I'm yet to understand, because I don't have like a good left hand side, any good flow here. This, to my left hand side, I see a lot of obstacles. Yeah, so it's not a good option to actually anticipate sales. Honestly, I'm not going to anticipate sales until I see price close slightly below this level. Then I can anticipate sales to take advantage of this good traffic here. So then don't forget, I'm very, very flexible in trading. So perhaps if I should find, any super opportunity by the way of, candlestick, formation, then I may be able to take sales, but I'm not certain about that. Yeah. Okay. I'm not certain yet. So let's keep moving. We move. I think basically price has broken out, just like I explained in the morning. Price broke breakout, retest, breakout. I think this is a retest. So perhaps we may anticipate another breakout to the upper side. Yeah. I don't know yet. We are yet to find out. If we break out, then I will say that price is coming to, give us this range to, make us realize profit that lies in this range. So early entry would serve us well here for price to actually come up all the way to this range. There's a lot of theatrics around this, so let's not be in a hurry. Let's see how this 15 minutes candle closes in a couple of minutes. If it closes inside, I mean inside this range here, it means we may see a super sell coming. Otherwise, we will anticipate a reversal for price to move up. Okay, and I forgot to do something here. Let me mark out this level that is already existing here so that it can remind us that this is actually a retest. Yeah. So let's gradually again revisit this space and see if there are a couple of things we could actually add. So this is our point of interest. This is our point of interest, and our focus is definitely this can be my focus. It's too small. But then I have this line here so that I can be able to react whenever I see price struggling to cross here. I can be able to react, perhaps close 90% and let 1% run. So that's why I have this line here. Otherwise, this is going to be my target, of course. This or precisely, or perhaps if there is a lot of volume, then I'm going to target 86 pips. This is quite dependent on how volume comes in. Okay. So for gold, my point of interest is actually here. My point of interest is around here, a closure above here. And this criteria is met already. So, but I don't know. Something is stopping me from opening a position here. I don't know what that is. This is actually 59 pips. So let's see 15 minutes and see. I think the conditions are satisfied already. So, this is a fake out, close back in, retest of this, and then breakout, retest, and breakout, and this candle closed bullish, bullish. Okay, guys, let's take like no, I'm not comfortable. I would have taken a risk now, but I don't like this. I don't like this. And this is causing price to reject this zone again. I don't like this. Let's do something. This week is actually, is big enough for us to call it a day, right? It's target, which is absolutely fine. 35 pips, which is absolutely fine. It's okay. So good point of interest is for price to close above here. If we get to close above here, then we get in on a buy. So let me just give it a shot. So this is what we are looking to feed from. This is what you're looking to feed from. Okay. This is quite clear. Now over to my favorite pair here. So like I said before, if this 15 minutes closes back into this range, then there's going to be some, anticipation for price to keep moving down. But it does not mean I'm selling anything on GBP, USD. So GB, Euro, JPY. Sorry, I keep dreaming about GBP, USD today. Why? Okay, Pound USD. Why am I dreaming about this? But let's have a look at Pound USD to see why. It just keeps coming to my mind today, and I'm not sure why. So we have to wait, guys. Just a waiting game, okay? Have to wait. We are gonna wait. We're gonna wait. This is what we're anticipating to happen here. This is what we anticipate. If any other thing happens, we don't care actually. So maybe we can just anticipate it from here. Maybe let's expect it from here. Even gives us a broader profit. Gives us wider profit targets. All right, let's have a look at GBP USD to find out why it's been coming to my mind, and I need to get offline as soon as possible. So 6:30, once 6:30 happens, I'm gonna see if it allows us to get into opening position on US30 or not. So why has this guy been coming to my mind since today? Why? These are the lines I drew more than 8 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. These lines have been here for ages, like more than 8 months ago. Okay, I think it has a profit. Okay, I see why it's calling my name. It has my favorite, which is it's forming a range. The breakout of this range is going to boom and take. Okay, makes sense. For those of us who are here, you can actually mark this out. I mean, mark it out on your own. I'm not taking the trade anyway, just for your own benefit. Okay. So we are in a range now. This is 1 hour time frame. Pound USD is ranging. Yeah, it's ranging, and our point of interest is for price to close in this area. So our point of interest obviously is going to be here, and our focus for profit is going to be here. This is somewhere around 90 pips. So for those of us who are here, if you use your eyes to see a closure, 30 minutes closure above this range, brother, sister, just get in. It's fine. Just make sure you use proper risk management. It's not a guarantee though. Okay. So it's not a guarantee. Just if you see price close into the zone, get in and take this. Just for your can go ahead and rewind the stream. Okay. So entry, entry, take profit, stop loss. Okay. If you want these data points, go ahead and rewind the stream and have them. Okay. Good luck. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna jump onto this trade like a mad dog. Trust me. I was offline actually when this happened. I cannot be online every time though. So I took a trade where this morning, London opened from here, and I got out here. I remember I got out here. Yeah, 23 pips approximately. And then after that, something amazing happened. Price retested this breakout point and then closed according to our requirement for a trade. If I was here, I would have taken a trade and target here. I mean, level by level trade. That's what I do. See that? If I target here, it should have just hit my TP and I'll be fine, absolutely fine. So now we have a lot of volume coming into the market. So I anticipate price this. If this candle, this 15 minutes closes bullish, the break of that bullish closure, I'm gonna risk something. I'm gonna risk something. Yeah, it seems our first point of interest that is going to trigger today is US30. It looks so. Let's see how we can benefit from US30 today. Gold is messing up, honestly. Gold is messing up, man. Gold is messing up. Okay, let's see. 30 minutes. Man, this 30 minutes has closed here. So why is gold messing just wasting our time here, man? This guy is gonna go up eventually. So why is it not going up already? You know what I mean? Just wasting our time for nothing. Let's come back here a couple of minutes later, maybe 2 to 3 minutes later. I'll come back here to see. But then, guys, there's a major call out here this week here. It's my major call out about this trade because I know this guy. This guy does not like stress. He doesn't like stress. Maybe at NYC Open, it might attempt to flow up and then maybe stopped by this, or if it has enough force, it's just gonna push up until this psychological level. Let's wait patiently. There's no need to tell price what to do. We just have to learn from the price itself. And if this guy decides to go down, how do we trade it? I don't think I wanna be part of it. It's gonna be disaster. If he decides to go down, trust me, it's gonna be a disaster. I'm just gonna wait and look for another opportunity in something else because you may think that it's gonna go down and get in and it's gonna just swap out your money. This could be a trap. I don't know. This could be a trap. I feel this is a trap. I don't know. But let's see. Let's see how price is gonna react here. Then I can act accordingly. Our criteria is being met here already. She's having 30 minutes candle or 15 minutes close above here. So The next one we believe should push us all the way 55 pips. I don't know. For this kind of moves, you want to use lower time frame, but then we need confirmation from high time frame, then we can switch to lower time frame. So let's see. We're here, right? We're gonna see what it's gonna be. I don't know why I'm quite interested in gold. See, after everything I still settle down and gone to this Socky page called gold. Socky tab for gold. Why? See what I'm saying, guys? This guy, I think the retest is done. The retest done completely. Yeah. So let's see how it's gonna react, and subsequently, based on the reaction, then we can open up a shot, give it a shot. Some people who like snipers, they would have gotten into the moment they have detected that this is actually what's going to happen, they would have just gotten in here and anticipate. But then I used to be a sniper, and then it gave me a lot of money and took the entire money, even the savings I had, took everything. I'm never going to snipe again. I would just focus on breakouts. That's the reasonable thing a reasonable human being can do. Okay, it's not even waiting for us to finish. It's just messing up. It's moving so fast. I don't know why. I don't want to get into this trade with 5 minutes. Trust me, I don't want to be part of that shit. If I miss the trade, it's fine. I'm absolutely fine. I come back another day. But now, I don't want to get into any position with 5 minutes. Apart from US30, I'm saying this from experience. I learned the hard way. Trust me. Sometimes 5 minutes works, but most of the times it messes with your head. Just throws. Are you kidding me right now? Are you really kidding me right now? This guy is not even giving us any opportunity at all. What the hell, man? What is this? Just moving. Come on, bro. Who does that? Guys, we missed the trade already. Come on, man. If we had gotten in here with the break of this high, it would have made a lot of sense. Trust me. God damn it. Okay. So God eventually is gonna mess with us. Okay, guys, let's do something. Let's do something. This is quite clear now. So that is a buy above here. Yeah, yeah. Buy above here. 48 pips. And let's target for something substantial, maybe 100 pips. Or later I'll tell you guys why. Let me set up the position first. And for this, I'm not convinced about this guy. So let's see what he's actually trying to do. Because there's no wick here, I'm not convinced. There's no wick, so I'm not convinced at all. And for gold, Such a waste of time and talent. You know what I mean? If you see gold, guys, you're wrong. Gold is a destroyer. Gives you money and can take the money away. Trust me. You see this guy? Very soon, just very soon, I may stop trading gold. Just very soon. But then if I stop, what did I gain? There's no fun in stopping, right? There's only fun in continuous improvement, not stopping. Okay, so don't stop. Don't ever stop, guys. Don't ever stop. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys why I actually chose this. Let's see next level. So actually, that's the wrong level, right? The ball is fine. We can mitigate as we swing by. Yeah. So the let's look at 5 minutes. The perfect take profit for us on this trade should be, I think it's methodology or TP. Perfect TP is methodology because there's nothing else I can say now. Okay, let's stick to this as our new focus point. What the hell are you doing, bro? Yeah, this could be our new focus point. Yeah, where is it? Yeah. Okay, it seems we're gonna lose 50 pips today. Holy. It seems we're gonna lose 50 pips today. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? If this candle breaks its own low, I'm going to close the position. If it breaks its own low, I'm out. Okay. Just bear in mind, if it breaks its own low, I'm out completely. I don't know why these guys have to make me do this every time. Just get into a trade and keep sending something to the bottom or whatever. Okay. It looks like it doesn't want to break its own low. I don't know why. It's wasting time. See why I told you guys not to trust any candle without wick, see? Eventually, this is actually trying to go down. I don't know what it's actually trying to do, though. I don't think I can trust it. Yeah, so I'm going to eventually change this. Obviously, I'm going to assume that a range is trying to form here. This is what I'm going to absolutely assume right now, that a range is going to form here. So a break outside here is going to be my new target. So therefore, my point of interest is here, and my target is, yeah, right here. My target is right here, very small. It's going to be worth it, trust me. I could actually get in early the moment this candle closes, if 15 minutes closes, and the break of this 15 minutes, if it closes bullish, then I'm going to actually take something. Do not forget, for this, we have just one open trade now, which is US30. And the criteria for this trade to remain open is that this open candle does not break its own low. If it breaks its own low, I'm out completely. Right now, still in profits, back to profits. If I were you, this is already 20 pips. Just break like closing, taking some profit, guys. If I were you, I'm gonna just take in some maybe 50%. Okay, because just gonna show what I'm doing here. This is my US30 right here, just to show you that I closed some part already. This is my US30 trade. Yeah, I closed 50% already. See that? In and 50% gone already. So whatever happens, I don't give a shit anymore because I secured some positions already, right? So if you are you, I'm gonna do that. So if I lose right now, I'm not losing basically because I'm breaking it. Like it's gonna be some sort of break even. You know what I mean? So for the fact that this candle closed bullish, it means that our TP is in sight. Simply means that our TP is in sight. You know what I mean? So at this point in time, the only way for you to get something out of gold at the moment is to take advantage of this setup. This setup, it is first of all, before I say what I want to say, let me have a look at this. Yeah, I think it's right. All I'm saying is right. 30 minutes, we can't wait for 30 minutes to close. It's too far, guys. 5 minutes. Okay, just say 3 minutes. 5 minutes, okay. Okay, so in 3 minutes, 5 minutes is gonna close. 5 minutes candle is gonna close in 3 minutes. So if this candle closes into this range, then it means we have a signal to go up. Okay, and we have to be very, very careful. We have to be very flexible with TP. 20 pips is enough. 20 pips is enough, please. Don't waste your money for nothing. There is no good move today. That's what I can see. The only news we have today is at 8 p.m. and it's shitty news. It's gonna be shitty. Okay, told you guys TP is inside here. TP is inside. He's inside because this guy broke the low of the previous 3 minutes, then came all the way down, reversed and closed bullish. Simply tells me that there's a lot of volume coming for bullish volume coming. And now look at it, it's happening. Okay, so we have conveniently secured these 5 minutes. Conveniently, it has pulled into our plan. Let's now see if it's going to close according to our plan or not. If it does close according to our plan, then it's going to be our opportunity to like strike. It's pulling back. I'm not happy. It's pulling back. Oh shit. I want it to close into this area. Yeah. Then you can take advantage of the break. The break above it, then you can push up. Come on, man. What are you doing? Push up, man. Go close. Go hit the stop loss. If you still have your complete position open here, you don't know what risk management is. Trust me. So just for the sanity of the chart, I'm going to remove this, and of course this as well. And this, I don't need this as well. If you still have your full position open on US30, you lack trading skills. Trust me. You need to have closed something. Holy shit, guys, we are about to miss this trade. I want it. I'm not going to take this trade now. Trust me. If it goes, it goes. It's okay. I want to have a week. If he's not giving me a week, I'm not interested. Let the trade go. I'm done. I can't take it. Sorry. I'm never going to take any trade like this. I'm not in a hurry to be rich. Nope. Go. It's okay, my dear. Go. Go make some money for yourself. It's fine. If you don't give me a week, forget about it. I'm not interested. Sorry, 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 sorry. See, it's basically come to get, waste our time. See that, guys? So who said gold is not shitty? Gold is shitty some days. Some days it's just awesome. That's why we can't do without it. Actually, now it has given me week. If it breaks above here, that's going to be my entry, and below this week, it's going to be my stop loss. So you understand the concept of trading now, guys, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. If it breaks above itself, entry, and below itself, stop loss, that's 25, 26 pips roughly. And then my point of interest is 330. I can actually extend it just in case price pumps. Okay. Let's see, there's no price in action. Okay. The nearest price in sight is our point of interest, and the next one is at infinity. Oh my jeez. This I doubt if price is actually gonna just pump up like this. So let's be conservative, guys. Let's not be greedy. Have to be realistic, right? If it pumps, it pumps. Otherwise, I can't exceed here. Like it's not realistic for me to just push this all the way up 1002 in 3 minutes. Must be dreaming. So we just sent to back, yeah, so that we can see what actually is happening. We are still not in this trade. Don't forget, this trade is going to happen the moment this high is broken. And for this, see what I told you guys. If you are still having your US30 trade open, you are not a good trading is not for you. Trust me, because obviously price has tapped this psychological level. So at this point in time, anything can happen. Anything, I mean, anything can happen at this point in time. Yeah, it has tapped the psychological level. So there is this possibility that price will actually go down to this psychological level and then consolidate before coming up back again. That is like possibility that this is actually going to happen. That's why I said close partials. So this trade, regardless of what, is not a win, is not a loss as well. It's a break-even trade. Yeah, unless price gets back to coordinate itself back. Oh, see that, see that. To the guys. Hey, woohoo, guys. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just better close the hell out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, I didn't miss the trade. I thought I missed it. Okay, I just closed that completely, guys. I closed that. Oh, the hell, man! I want out. Yeah, I closed out everything, guys. So sorry, guys. I mistakenly moved, pushed this back. So I don't even know where. Oh, it was here, right? Yeah, it was 3 minutes. Yeah, it was here, and then this is it. So see what I said. What I usually talk about: point of interest and focus. See that? So I can conveniently bring my price, my TP to focus because that is actually what I plan for. This is just an extended focus, yeah. So that is 48 pips for good analysis. Can I get some likes, please? 48 pips. That's a reward for good analysis, guys. This guy is still wasting his time here. Let's close gold. Let me post gold on my group first, on my Telegram group, because it's good to share success with people who believe in you. For us. Very important to understand this my points of interest and then the focus. Yeah, that's entry and TP basically. Yeah, see what price is doing around here. So observe what price is doing around here because of this. So you don't just start from zero level to 100 level. You have to go to one, level two, level three. It goes on and on and on until you get to 100. Yeah. This is a level I know that price is going to interface with a lot before pushing up to go to the next level. So why would I ever want to like skip the level? Am I insane? You know what I mean? You just have to do something that actually profits you. So this is a very simple trade. So that being said, let's put gold aside. And for oh shit, see, secure your losses. Nobody is secured. A lot of people were adamant about that, and now this is happening. It's all good. It's fine. Secure your profits. I talked about it, right? And this is happening. I mean, I'm glad that after saying all these things, it just happens live on the stream. I mean, we don't need to like revisit it at any point in time. Secure your profit. If I say secure 50%, you go ahead and secure that. By the way, this is actually a call for this is a call for how do I say that? A call for see. Okay, the low of previous 30 minutes has not been broken, which is actually another opportunity for us to buy again because this is actually a break-even trade to start with. But then I just wanna understand what price is doing first, whether it wants to, because seeing this, it seems price will just consolidate a little bit and push down. So my bias just changed. If price goes up now, unfortunately, I'm no longer interested. If price pushes up further, unfortunately, I'm not going to be interested anymore. From what I'm seeing now, price is already hitting like a plateau here. It's hitting a resistance here. Yeah, it may need to push down to gather liquidity. So what I'm basically going to look out for right now, either let me just remove this. It's not necessary anymore. So I'm just going to look out for any consolidation around here. Once I see a consolidation, then I'm going to focus on taking this 100 pips. This is actually 100 pips, just in case you don't know what how psychological level works. It's 100 pips, yeah. So I'm not interested anymore in buys. I'm now keen to see sell. See, price. For those of us that don't know how psychological level works, see how price tapped my psychological level up here, and then again it came all the way down to tap the next psychological level. That's how we track what price is going to do. Now that it taps psychological level, I know that another move is coming. Consolidation or another move is coming. So honestly, I don't like buys right now. I can't take buys now. If buys comes, it comes. I'm not going to take it. If it comes, it comes. I can't take it. Even if it's driving to heaven, it can drive alone. I don't want to be part of that journey. And gold, oh wow. See what gold is doing here? If we had considered here as our point of interest, which I didn't consider by the way, I was looking at this. If I had considered here, then it would have made how much? How much is that now? It's about 770 pips, 80 pips eventually. But eventually, I'm out of this trade, so it's better I remove the share. I don't regret trade, I don't regret things like that. It's not worth it. So we are done with this trade. I can remove my points of interest and focus. And then this as well, I don't need this anymore. I've taken what I want to take, steal it and run away. US30, enjoy that drama. US30, enjoy whatever thing you're doing. Actually, the only buy I can consider is there's a closure above here. Can consider to take this maybe 50, 70 pips here, yeah? And that is the highest high. That's the highest we've ever been to, or we've ever attained on US30. US30 recovered from that fall and eventually is going up again. And I was carried away and I missed it, unfortunately, guys. Forgive me for missing this trade. I shouldn't have, but I missed it anyway. I shouldn't have missed it, but I missed it anyway. Anyway. 4 hours low broken, 1 hour low broken. Man, I was focused on this shitty gold and US30 and I missed my favorite move. When I say my favorite move, I mean this is my favorite move. Coming up to a resistance or support area, forming a candle in the other direction, and then the break of that candle, it drops like crazy. So, from 30 minutes perspective, I would have, guys, if I were to be here, I would have fallen a pre here. Trust me, I would have taken a buy here in anticipation for buys to continue, unless there was no wick. If this candle formed without wick initially, then I would have escaped this. I think it's better I didn't I wasn't here. So it's better. Oh yeah, it formed this. We didn't take any buy because this candle formed without and closed without an upper wick. So we didn't take any buys. Yeah, I remember. So you see the importance of not doing some certain things. And even if I was actually online, anyway, if I was online, I know that this is volume. I should have just taken sales here and target were no. Sales is a no no. Forget about it, guys. I shouldn't have taken any sell. This is just a mirage. I didn't miss any trade here. Trust me. I don't see anything that could have made me to take a trade on. Looking down here, the safest place to have placed my TP would have been at this candle without a wick because it always gets retested for some reasons. I found it very safe for me to place my TP a lot of times. Yeah. And if I had placed it, it would have worked. Or I'm going to place it here. Okay. Or I could have just closed 70% here and close the rest of the 30% here, whatever. But just know that this is what I would have done if I had seen this for 4 hours candle getting, screwed. I think it's safe for me to close gold now. One thing we can take away from gold here is that always pay attention to levels is very important. I think I took this trade with 3 minutes 3 minutes candle where I said the break of the high is going to trigger me to take a move, make a move. Pay attention to levels and understand how candlestick works. This is an engulfing candle. Pay attention to engulfing candle reasonably, because it's one thing for it to be engulfing candle. If the next candle opens and it doesn't first of all form a wick, bottom wick or top wick, as the case may be in the direction of your bias, then leave it alone. Yeah, because it may screw you. Trust me, it may screw you. So that's the major takeaway from gold today. And just another takeaway for those of us who are going to be online. If gold 30 minutes closes, that's in the next 4 minutes, if gold closes this way, then there is tendency that the next candle that's going to form may just form with little or no wick, and it's going to just push up and test this level. See this? Look at this, and look at this. Those 2 weeks, they are all aligned. See that? So that's a strong level. One, two, and three, and this is four. So it's a strong level. So price may, if this closes here, then the next candle may just come and test here. Yeah, that's 88 pips. That's 88 pips. So I don't have the energy for that. Trust me, guys. I don't have the energy for that. I have lost a lot of money in trading that. When I see these things that are huge probability, I just stay away from them. It's not worth it. Again, it boils down again, coming down again to my US30. You remember what I said? This guy is a major player here. See this setup? If I see this setup, I can always swear about it. This setup. This guy is an engulfing candle, completely engulfing the body and wick of this other candle. So whatever is happening here is happening because this candle closed without a wick. So he's trying to, like, make up for the wicklessness. After that, the break of this low is your game on. Okay. I think I may actually take this. It's game on. The break of this low is game on to the tune of maybe 100 pips or so. I may actually take this trade. Again, let me have a look at 4 hours. Oh shit, it's not a good idea. Yeah, price needs to come down to like grab liquidity, but this is a very, very terrible idea, gentlemen. Terrible idea. On the other note, weak rejection. But then again, it's a terrible idea. But then 15 minutes is giving me some vibe. Hey, it's a good idea. Go, 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 go. Yalla, yalla, guy. Go, 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 go. Lose your money. Go lose your money. Idiot. Lose your money. Come give me some money, idiot. Okay. Regardless of what, the break of this low, trust me, when I say this, now I'm not kidding. I'm not mimicking anybody, any of my Indian friends. Forgive me, Indians. So I have a new point of interest here. This is my new point of interest, and this is, yeah, this week. See what I said? I told you guys in this place about 4 candles without wick. Now I'm looking for my focus point, and I saw this candle without wick. So this candle without wick is my focus point, but not without closing something here, because I don't trust this pointed guy. This pointed guy here, I don't trust him. Yeah. So that's a second game on US30. First one is a break even. I need to share that in the group as well. Let me share that in the group so that I can be free. We're targeting how much people again? It doesn't matter. Let me just share because I can be sharing only success, right? I think it was 40, yeah, that's around 48 pips or something. Okay, guys. Again, I want to clearly mention this. If price continues going up, I don't think I'm interested in buys anymore, honestly. Yeah, even though if it breaks above this 15-minute candle, it has a very high potential of moving back to retest this. But I don't think it's something I really want to wait for. I'll just go offline because I have a lot of things to do, honestly. I have quite a couple of things to do here. So I'm just waiting for sales. I'm waiting for my point of interest. If it happens, good. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna say bye bye and leave. Close gold. Share news at 8 p.m. Share news again at 9:30. Share news at 10. FONC members. What the hell are these guys? What the hell do they think they are? I really don't understand what's happening on Euro JPY. What's going on here? I don't understand what's driving this. What's driving this market? I don't understand what's going on. Without week, this is going up. I don't understand what is driving this. Honestly, okay. I'm not sure I understand quite what's happening here today, but this is not healthy for me. I need to get offline now. I'm having some mixed feelings about trading now. And guys, whenever you begin to have mixed feelings, get the hell out. Yeah. So I'm closing this. I don't understand what's going on here, honestly. I don't like trading 5 minutes. I like trading 15 minutes. And it would have made a lot of sense for me to, buy here to here. But why? Why should I buy? I don't understand why I should buy because it's not the right time to buy. This is trending down, right? So unless it forms gives me some sort of signal which I'm not interested in on anymore today, so I'm leaving. The only thing I may do today is this. Just once I secure closer below here, then I strike. So basically this and this. Need to secure see a closer, below here, somewhere in this level at my point of. Okay, I think I should change this. Yeah, that's it. Need to secure, get a closure below here, then I can strike downwards. 6 pips, that's quite beautiful. So I'm gonna patiently wait, patiently wait. This is a very, very beautiful setup here. See this? This is a very beautiful setup. Oh my god, it's so nice, so yummy. Just gonna wait, see how this plays out. Don't forget, there is a very, very high tendency that once we secure a 30 minutes closure somewhere below here, that price is going to see 38,397 and subsequently 38,299 today. So just know that, okay? Know that, just have that behind your mind, at the back of your mind, that this move, something like this may happen today. most likely happen today, something like this. Okay, because I know it when I say it. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but it may likely happen. Sorry. Okay, guys, whatever happens here, just understand that if you can secure a closure below this level, okay, then key into this point of interest and allow price to give you this entire move 86 pips and then close out, sorry, not here, close out around 70% at this level and let the 30% run to TP. And do not forget, if you close out any partials, move your stop loss to break even. Okay. Whatever you determine as your stop loss, be careful with it. That's all that matters. This could be your stop loss, this could be your stop loss, whatever could be your stop loss. Just be careful with your risk. That's all that matters. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go. I don't see myself waiting here for too long. You guys take care. Don't forget, it's been a win all this while. It's been a fantastic win so far. All this while, thanks for joining and do have a lovely evening, everyone. Take care. Bye.